Hey, Bob from Fog Harbor Fish House here, and we're about to cook up a few menu items. First one I'm going to do is our crab ceviche. Dungeness crabs are local right now, so I have some wonderful fresh crab here. This is one of my favorite appetizers, and it's super easy to do at home. All you need to do is take fresh picked Dungeness crab meat and fresh limes, cut them in half, squeeze them in there. Probably going to use a total of about probably 1.5 small limes or 1 larger size lime. All you want to do, since the crab's already cooked, we're just going to marinate the crab with the lime juice. It doesn't need to cook it like a raw fish ceviche because it's already cooked. So we're just going to marinate it around and coat it. Then I just made up a fresh pico de gallo with tomatoes, jalapenos, onions, cilantro, salt, pepper, and a little lime juice. Give that a toss. Always need to have a little extra chili, so I'm going to put some crushed chili flakes that we've toasted in there to give it a little heat. Fresh diced avocado. And a touch more salt. Once that's all mixed up, we're ready to serve it. So for this one, I'm going to use a little cocktail glass here, garnish it with a little lettuce, spoon it on in. Top it off with a little bit more fresh cilantro. Going to serve it up with a few fresh made tortilla chips, a couple lime wedges, and we're ready to go. Beautiful, fresh Dungeness crab ceviche. Enjoy!